we will click on this button now, and then we can go on to the account page. On the account, you can see here the security. Okay, so here you can see all the details. We need to go down, and here you can see your devices. Here need to check manage all device. Okay, for example, my Mac is connected, my phone is connected with my email, it's my Gmail. Okay, so but this is I don't recognize it. Okay, by mistakenly it is on another machine. I don't use it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just go and I click here to sign out. Simple. Yep. So now we can see I have signed out. It was active 34 minutes before, and now it is unactivated. Okay, so the this way you can see how many devices connected with your Gmail account. Thank you.